She burps. So in Jerry Wintrup's autobiography, he tells that story of seeing this lovely Hollywood actress in public, and he's like awed by her. And then she burps, right? So this does two things for him. So one, it erased the aura of a Hollywood star being like perfection and godlike. But more importantly, it inspired him. Because if some belching average person could make it in Hollywood, so can he. So that made me realize that inspiration isn't about being told you can do something. Inspiration is about erasing the barrier between believing it can't be done. It's about taking that previously unattainable thing and realizing, hey, this is actually within reach. So look for indications of the broken barrier. So if you look hard enough and you put yourself in the right situations, you'll start to notice that that thing that you thought was unattainable is actually right within your grasp.